What's up guys, and so it begins. It's time to kick off the leaks for the next Galaxy Ultra flagship for 2022. In 11 generations of Galaxy S series, Samsung could do something that they have never done before. For the first time, Samsung could join hands with another camera company named Olympus. Yes, as posted by Ice Universe and a few other sources on Twitter, Samsung could collaborate with Olympus for its future flagship phone. Now, the reason behind this collaboration is unknown at the moment. Samsung, as we know, they make their own camera hardware, so we could be looking at a custom hardware collaboration for the future Ultra flagship, or maybe something even next level that could truly revolutionize the smartphone camera game, because at this point, Samsung has done it all. They have the biggest smartphone sensor right now running on Mi 11 Ultra. Anything bigger than that sounds just absolutely crazy. Samsung has already used their 108 megapixel sensor on 2 generations. Now it may be time to do something big, which is why Samsung is joining hands with a proper camera company, Olympus. Now, speaking of Samsung's next Ultra phone, it's going to be significantly faster than current generation. Samsung has officially announced that their next Exynos chips for 2022 will be made on ARM's newly announced ARM v9 architecture. This new architecture promises 30% improvement over the current ARM v8 based chips, making next year chipsets from not just Samsung but even from Apple and other brands significantly faster than this year. ARM further announced that they will be releasing a brand new Melee GPU with some groundbreaking upgrades including ray tracing, variable rate shading, console level features, but Samsung, as we know, they have moved towards Radeon graphics. This brand new GPU will get announced this year. In fact, we'll see some key details coming really soon thanks to Ice Universe. Also in the news, we have complete leak regarding the Galaxy A82, including the specs as well as some of the hands-on images. This phone unfortunately is not the true upgrade to the Galaxy A80. I mean, there is no rotating camera mechanism or any pop-up camera system on this phone, but it is rocking an Edge display, which is something we haven't even seen on the S21 and S21 Plus. So it does have a very bezel-less design. On the back, it looks similar to the current Galaxy A series. We'll be seeing similar camera setup. It's gonna have a 120Hz refresh rate, but the main key thing is the processor that is running the show. We have Snapdragon 855 Plus chip. In South Korea, it's gonna be called as Galaxy A Quantum 2. It's gonna be coming with that Quantum chip. As for its release date, it's launching officially on 23rd April. Now, last but not the least, Samsung has done another business deal with LG. According to South Korean media, for the first time, Samsung will be buying OLED displays from LG, not for their smartphones, but for their future OLED TVs. Apparently, Samsung is looking to secure around 1 million large OLED panels from LG. The reason behind this move is because of high pricing for LCD displays. Samsung is also rumored to be facing some issues regarding their own OLED production, so to secure profitability, they have LG doing their work. Ever since LG announced that they're quitting smartphone business, Samsung has already made 2 business moves. So that's all the latest news. For the first time, Samsung collaborating with a proper camera company. It is definitely exciting considering Samsung making their own hardware. The possibilities of this collaboration are endless. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.